A folder is a piece of equipment used for forming metal, usually with straight line bends. This particular piece of equipment is referred to as a finger folder because it has different sized fingers that can be removed to alter the length of the bend. The upper tools are raised and lowered by using the arm on the right hand side. The upper tools act as clamps to hold the material to be folded in position. The fold is formed by hinged action of the lower tool, which is operated with the lower handle on the left hand side. The angle of the bend is dictated by the locking nut on the protractor located at the left hand side of the machine. The angle is set by approximation coupled with trial and error, meaning we would normally trial a test piece prior to forming the actual job. For this demonstration, we'll be showing the right angle bends needed to make this plane. Assuming the angle of bend is set, locate the plane body between the upper and lower tools. Make sure the first bend is performed with the main body of the plane sitting out of the folder. Clamp down the upper tool, making sure that the centre dots indicating the fold line are plainly visible and correctly lined up. Swing up the bottom tool until the protractor reaches its limit dictated by the lock nut. It should be one smooth action, but not so hard that it dislodges the lock nut. Once complete, lower the hinge tool and unclamp the upper tool. Remove the material and check that it's square. If it's not quite 90 degrees, return it to the bending position and perform the operation again. Once you're happy with the bend, turn the component around and form the remaining bend.